Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful profile light designs for the ceiling. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So friends, in this video I'm going to share the latest price also, so how much it will cost for installing and what are the latest price of lights and what are the points to remember before installing the profile lights. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. Profile lights, which are also known as LED profile lights or linear lights, are slim, sleek lighting fixtures like you can see in this video, which are made with aluminum channel and LED strips. They provide the continuous uniform light, even the sharp linear designs, modern and premium aesthetics. So traditionally, these lights were installed inside the false ceilings or over the ceiling. But today surface mounted profile lights allow you to install them directly on the ceiling or wall without any false ceiling box. So it makes our easy for installing the lights, and also it gives a beautiful designs for our ceiling. So lighting plays a powerful role in your interior designs because it doesn't just brighten a space, but it defines the mood, highlights architectural and elevates the overall look of your home. So today many modern homes prefer the profile lights without false ceiling, especially where ceiling is limited or a clean minimal look is desired. So nowadays profile lights are more trending than without a false ceiling. There's some beautiful advantages like minimal interiors and higher ceiling height, false ceiling it reduces the ceiling height also, but profile light ceiling, so friends, you can't see this problem. And also the biggest advantages of is less civil work. So profile lights without false ceiling perfectly match this trend because they reduce the construction cost, save the time, maintain ceiling height and deliver a clean architectural look, and this makes them an ideal for apartments, rented homes and renovation projects. It has some more advantages like number one is no ceiling height loss. So false ceiling usually reduce the height by 4 to 6 inches, and profile lights without false ceiling preserves the full ceiling height, making room feel more open and spacious. This is especially important for the small flats and low height rooms. And another advantages of its clean and modern aesthetics. So surface mounted profile lights create the sharp straight lines of lights, so they look minimal, elegant and extremely modern, so which are perfect for contemporary homes, modern office in luxury interiors. And one of the best advantages of its cost effective solution. So without the false ceiling, no gypsum board is required, no metal framework, no extra labor. So this significantly reduces the interior cost while still giving a premium lighting effect. So friends, now I'm going to discuss about the price. The first price is about the aluminum case. So the size will be 10 feet, and per running feet it will cost 10 to 15 rupees per running feet. So per piece it will cost you around 150 rupees of aluminum case. And for another material which is required is a LED strip, so the strip size comes in, will calculate as a 5 meter size. So per running feet it will cost 100 rupees, and total one strip of 5 meters it will cost 1300 to 1600 rupees. So friends, actually the total cost for installing the profile lights, it will cost almost 200 rupees per running feet. This is the latest price I'm saying, and this is the way you can calculate. So suppose for a medium size room, so it will cost you around 4 to 5,000 rupees, which will give a premium look and aesthetic appeal. But friends, there are some important points to remember before installing these lights. Like always choose the right light colors. So like warm white for bedrooms and living rooms, and a cool light for your office and workspace. And always check the ceiling surface and wiring, so ensure the ceiling is smooth, strong enough to hold the fixtures. Properly wire is advanced, so plan wiring before painting for a clean finish. And always select the quality aluminum profiles, which are good aluminum profiles, like dissipate heat, increase the led lifespan. Avoid the cheap plastic profiles. Another thing is, use proper diffuser cover. So a good diffuser like softens a harsh light, eliminates the visible LED dots, which creates a uniform illumination. And so friends, these are the some points to remember. So if you like